how are you all? Here I am going to make vegetable pulao today. For vegetable pulao I took 750-gram rice, old basmati rice, and I soaked them in water for 1 hour. 250-gram peas, 250-gram carrot, 250-gram potatoes, and I put 1 or 2 pinch yellow food color in potatoes, only to change the color. This is optional. You want to change the color or not. Here I take 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds known as saunf in Urdu, 4 to 5 dalchini or darchini, 8 to 10 black pepper, 3 to 4 cloves. I took 2 to 3 medium sized onions and fry until the color changes into golden brown. And now I am going to add these things: fennel seeds, garam masala, and लहसुन अदरक पेस्ट. Here I am going to add 2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, zira, and 1 tablespoon pisa hua dhania. Now I am going to add potatoes first. I'm going to cover the potatoes to make it a little softer for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, now I am going to add carrot and peas. And fry them a little. Here I am going to add, after 2 to 3 minutes, 3 glass water, 750 grams, almost equal to rice. Adding green chilies here, 3 to 4. Water starts boiling and I am going to add rice in it. The vegetable pulao is ready after 10 to 15 minutes. I dish it out and they are looking delicious. Must try it, and do like my videos, subscribe my channel, and comment me in comment box. Thanks a lot.